Finding a water cooler that covers the bases for your home or office needs can be frustrating and confusing. That's why in today's breakdown, we considered features, quality, and value to bring you our list of the top 5 best water cooler dispensers available now. Let's get started. Number 5. Comfy Bottom Loading Water Dispenser Express Cooling Water Cooler. If you're looking for a water cooler that's both affordable and convenient, the Comfy Bottom Loading Water Dispenser is a good budget option. With its bottom-loading design, this water dispenser is easy to set up and use, and it can hold 3 to 5 gallon water bottles. The dispenser features 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, which can be accessed using simple push-button controls. It also has a 1 gallon per hour cooling capacity, providing a good amount of cold water on demand, while the hot water button comes with a safety switch ensuring that it's safe to use around children. Another nice feature of this water dispenser is the ozone self-clean technology, which helps to keep the dispenser clean and hygienic. This is great for those who are concerned about the cleanliness of their water dispenser. The nightlight is another convenient feature that helps to bring visibility when used in a dark environment. The pros of the Comfy dispenser are that it's affordable, easy to set up, has a bottom-loading design, and hot, cold, and room temperature water options. The cons are that the water flow rate could be better. Number 4. Igloo Stainless Steel Hot, Cold, and Room Water Cooler Dispenser. The Igloo Stainless Steel Water Cooler Dispenser is another cooler with a bottom-loading design that makes it easy to replace your water bottles without any lifting. It also features a stainless steel finish, which gives it a sleek and modern look. This water cooler dispenser is also a good value for the price, offering both hot and cold water options with a separate spigot each. In addition to its basic functions, the Igloo water cooler dispenser also has some other features. For instance, it can be directly connected to a water line for continuous dispensing. The hot water spigot is quite hot, but has a child safety switch to prevent accidents. Setting up the Igloo water cooler dispenser is relatively easy. The dispenser is also easy to clean, and its no-lift design makes it low maintenance. Overall, the Igloo stainless steel water cooler dispenser is a reasonable option. The pros are that it has a stainless steel design, it's bottom-loading, and a good value. The cons are that while it is a good value, it's not the highest quality option on our list. Number 3. Avalon A1 Top Loading Cooler Dispenser. The Avalon A1 Top Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a simple and easy-to-use option for providing hot and cold water in your home or office. Its basic top-loading design saves the need for a pump and gives easy visibility of the water level, making it simple to know when a refill is necessary. This dispenser is compatible with both 3 and 5 gallon water jugs and provides both hot and cold water options. One of our favorite features about this machine is the paddle dispensers that are easy to use and make it touchless to dispense water. That said, the hot water spout is still equipped with a child safety lock to prevent accidents or injuries. Furthermore, the Avalon A1 is UL and Energy Star approved, ensuring energy efficiency and safety standards are met. The dispenser's slim design makes it good for smaller spaces or areas where floor space is at a premium. Overall, the Avalon A1 is a reliable and user-friendly water dispenser option for anyone looking to provide hot and cold water at home or in the office. The pros are that it has a simple design and is simple to use. The touchless dispensers are very convenient, and it has a good water flow rate. The cons are that depending on the situation, the top-loading design may be a downside, as it is less discreet and requires more lifting. Number 2. Avalon Limited Edition Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Water Dispenser. This option from Avalon is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable and convenient water cooler dispenser. We like that the stainless steel design is not only attractive, but also easy to clean. It's also bottom-loading, which is discreet and convenient for those who want to avoid lifting heavy bottles. The setup is straightforward, and the dispenser accommodates 3 to 5 gallon water bottles. This dispenser offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature. The cold temperature is approximately 47 degrees, while the hot temperature is around 185 degrees, making it useful for a variety of situations. The built-in nightlight is another convenient feature that adds visibility in the dark. Moreover, the self-cleaning ozone function ensures that the dispenser remains clean and fresh. This water cooler dispenser is UL listed and Energy Star compliant as well, making it an eco-friendly and cost-efficient choice. The pros are its sleek and attractive design, it's a bottom-loading machine, it's easy to set up, and it works great overall. The cons are that it could use a cup holder feature for dispensing. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser Limited Edition. A well-rounded and reliable water dispenser, the Brio Water Dispenser is an excellent option in many ways. The dispenser's bottom-loading design makes it easy to change water bottles without any heavy lifting, and the food-grade 304 stainless steel construction is high quality and stylish. The dispenser has 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and cool water. Additionally, the hot water safety lock ensures that you won't accidentally dispense hot water and hurt yourself or others. The Brio dispenser also comes with an ozone self-cleaning function that purifies and sanitizes the dispenser. Like some of the other options on our list, this dispenser is also equipped with a convenient nightlight. The Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler dispenser is also easy to use and set up, making it a great addition to any home or office. Considering features, quality, and value, the Brio water dispenser is a very nice option overall. The pros of the Brio are that it's bottom-loading, has a stainless steel design, it's easy to use, heats and cools water well, and works great. The cons are that although it is a low-noise unit, it's not completely silent. Do you still need a little more help on deciding the best water cooler dispenser for your home or office? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.